Do you remember the drone built in 3D movie?
He's making some nonsense helicopter.
ये पर वारिस से कह रहा था कि बहुत इम्प्रैक्टिकल डिजाइन है, उड़ेगा ही नहीं। उड़ेगा कैसे नहीं? हम उड़ाएंगे। देख जॉय को मत बोलना, उसको सरप्राइज देंगे।
It wasn't built by Joy, but it was actually built by a company which has the largest market share in India, IdeaForge.
Only listed drone manufacturing company in India, IdeaForge Technologies.
IdeaForge is a Mumbai-based drone developer.
IdeaForce नाम की कंपनी एंटी ड्रोन टेक्नोलॉजी को डेवलप कर रही है।
At IdeaForge Technology.
Ankit of IdeaForge.
The drone you see right next to me is built by Ankit's company.
Ankit is a drone expert in India.
The company is a manufacturer of unmanned aerial vehicles or drones with a market share of 50% in 2022.
Ankit Mehta, a 7-year-old boy with a passion to build gadgets and innovative technology by idealizing various superhero characters, started his journey at a very tender age. After a lot of hard work and dedication, he came closer to his dreams and got into IIT Bombay. During his educational degree, he implemented around 7 to 8 of his original ideas and successfully managed to patent one of his ideas. When he was in third year, he was the coordinator in the innovation cell.
Me along with another friend of mine, Avinash Panga, the two of us used to encourage people to come up with crazy ideas and bring it to the innovation cell. So I used to do this starting from my third year onwards because innovation cell was formed and not enough people were lining up to try and sign up for building onto their ideas.
That's when he met Ashish Bhatt and Rahul Singh, who were freshers and were eyeing for the same slice of pizza as Ankit. Rahul had a mind-boggling idea to build a hovercraft. Ankit and Ashish were totally fascinated by this idea. But then they found out that it was too easy to build, so they came across the idea to develop a helicopter. However, that was too complex to be implemented. Finally, quadcopter drone was decided, a relatively new concept for a country which is soft tech oriented. And that's when IdeaForge made a difference by being a first hard tech company.
India has been a very web-based startup culture. We were in one of those rare companies in this space that were actually looking at hardware.
During their initial days, IdeaForge was given a project by Aerospace Department of IIT Bombay to build a data logger of aircraft. They successfully made small and lightweight data loggers which caught the eye of IIT Bombay. Then through IIT Bombay, IdeaForge made their breakthrough when they stood first in a competition with an autopilot quadcopter against MIT USA. Then there was no going back. In 2009, they made the world's smallest and lightest drone and also first fully automated UAV of India. They gave their technology to DRDO and Indian Army. IdeaForge operations cover defense, mapping, disaster management, and the list goes on. As of today, IdeaForge Technology Limited is soaring in the market with a share price of 812.90 on the National Stock Exchange and a market cap of 3,365 crores. In the high-flying world of tech, IdeaForge takes on industry giants like Zen Technologies and rising stars like Inox Green Energy Services, racing ahead with their cutting-edge drone technology. Now let's dive into the numbers. With an attention-grabbing PE ratio, that is profit-to-earnings ratio of 105.21, IdeaForge is turning heads. The financial strength shines through with a return on equity at 14.44% and return on capital employed at 16.06%.
So overall, the trend continues, to be on the side of growth towards the surveillance side of business. Primarily, we see that our large customer base is still going to continue on the defense side of things, while civil will also see growth towards more traction on the large-scale mapping, your homeland securities, etc. opportunities that are also coming in through the year.
And here's the cool part. With a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.29, they are navigating financial waters like seasoned pilots avoiding stormy scenarios. They have fail-safe technology on various levels like return to home when weather is unfavorable, GPS fail-safe, and battery fail-safe on the cellular level. IdeaForge is the best example of how you can impact the world with pure determination. For more such inspirational startup stories and newest tech advancements, subscribe to Ikshana'sTechTales and follow us on all our socials. Bye bye, peace.